In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some few medications you can actually give to your female rabbit. Right from day one, she has actually given birth to the weaning stage. Like from day one, when she gave birth to the bunnies, the little kids, to the stage when you are supposed to be separating the little kids from her. Yes, because actually you need to give them some organic leaves and some few medications. Yes, some few medications like some powdered medications and some liquid medications. Yes, I'm going to be talking about all that extensively in this video. So in this our channel, we teach people how to become successful rabbit farmers, successful rabbit breeders, and pet owners. So if this is the first time coming across this channel, please do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. If you want to be seeing more tips on rabbit farming, just do well to turn on that notification bell and subscribe. So basically, when your rabbit gives birth at day one, there are some few drugs you are supposed to be giving to them, some few medications. I'll be talking about both the medications, like the powdered medications and the liquid ones, and the organic medications. I'm going to be talking about those two. Yes, either you use the powdered or the liquid medications, or use the organic medication. For those of you guys that want to go for organic farming, I'll be talking about what you can actually use for them. Then for those of you guys that want to be going for the liquid or powdered medications, or injectable too, I'll also be talking about that. So first of all, right from day one, when your female rabbit actually give birth, you need to give her antibiotics. Yes, because she has actually gave birth, she really needs for you to give her antibiotics right from when she gave birth at day one. So there are some few antibiotics you can actually give to her. There are some organic antibiotics, and there are some injectable and powdered antibiotics. For the organic antibiotics, you can actually give her bitter leaf. Yes, because bitter leaf or scent leaf, they are actually organic antibiotics. They contain a lot of antibiotics, and you can actually give it to your rabbit for them to eat. Then for the injectable or powdered medication, you can actually give your rabbit penicillin injectable, or you give her powdered antibiotics. I'll be putting the picture of the powdered antibiotics on the screen. You can actually give her any of that. Then right from day two, which day two of the kids, then when you count today that she gave birth, the next day you're supposed to give her multivitamin. Yes, you're supposed to give her multivitamin, at least so that it will help her eat very, very well. Because once they are able to eat very, very well, her kids will be able to breastfeed very, very well. Yes, once they are able to eat very well, when her kids is able to breastfeed, it means they will grow very, very big. So after you have successfully given them the multivitamin at day 2, at day 5, you need to also give her antibiotics. Yes, and with a little paper here so that I won't actually forget some few things I wrote down. At day 5, you need to also give her antibiotics. Yes, antibiotics again at day 5. Then after you have given her antibiotics at day 5, at day 11, you need to give her multivitamin for 3 consecutive days. Yes, the first multivitamin was just for 1 day. This second one is just for 3 days. Yes, I already talked about the antibiotics you can actually give. Maybe the oral one, which is like the organic one, which is bitter leaf or scent leaf. Then you can actually give the injectable one. Then the next thing I'm going to be talking about is the multivitamin. There is a leaf that also helps rabbit to eat very, very well. The Christmas leaf. I'll be putting a picture of the leaf on the screen. You can actually give your rabbit this particular leaf if you are going for the organic ones. Yes. Then if you are going for the liquid or solid one or injectable one, you can actually give them the Maxi Boost liquid, or you give them any solid multivitamin around your vet shop. You can actually ask them, any multivitamin is actually good for them. Then at 15 day, you need to deworm the mother of the rabbit. Yes, your female rabbit which has given birth, you need to deworm her at day 15. Yes, so that she can actually be in preparation for the next breeding. Deworm her at day 15 with either you use ginger garlic solution. It's actually a very good dewormer, or you can actually use an injectable dewormer, or you go organically, which is the papaya leaf, papaya leaf. You can actually use it for deworming too. Then after you have finished deworm her at day 15, 4 weeks, once the kids are 4 weeks old, you can actually deworm the kids too. Yes, once the kids are 4 weeks old, you can actually deworm them with the same pawpaw leaf. Because I won't advise you to give the the little bunnies injectable. Yes, I won't advise you to give those little bunnies injectable. You can actually give them the pawpaw leaf, that is the papaya leaf for a dewormer. Yes, that works very, very great for them. Then after you have successfully dewormed them at 4 weeks, before when you are preparing to wean them out, you need to give them multivitamin, yes, so that they can actually be eating very well. You know, at that period when they are leaving their mother to stay on their own, once they are not able to eat very well, it might actually end up dying because they are still very little. So that's why I advise you guys to leave them to 6 weeks before you try weaning them. So at that 6 weeks, when you want to try weaning them, you can actually give them multivitamin, yes, so that they can actually be able to eat very, very well. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you did learn something, do well to give me a thumbs up on this video, like this video, and comment if you want me to do any other videos concerning rabbit farming. I will be glad to do the video for you. Thank you once again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so anytime I drop any relevant video like this, you get notified by YouTube and you come and watch it and learn something. So thank you once again for watching, and until next time, do have a nice day and peace.